Hey love, welcome and thank you for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with essential twist for branding and business. And today we are going to learn how to create a mug mock-up. So if you're ready to get started, then continue watching. So here we are inside my go-to editing platform, Canva. However, there are a number of editing platforms out there that work just as great. You just got to find the best one that works for you. However, the reason why I love Canva so much is because they're one, super user-friendly, two, very easy to navigate, and three, Canva gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. So we are going to learn how to create a mug mockup. So this is perfect if you have a brand and you want to create some kind of drinkware for your brand or your business, just to get an idea of what it would look like to give to your customers, or just to create some kind of mock-up for your social media. So once you have logged into your Canva account, your dashboard is going to pull up just like this. And if you already have a design, you can go ahead and utilize that design. Otherwise, you can come over here to the top of the right-hand corner and click on the Create a Design button, and then you're going to select what kind of design you want to create, and then you'll just go from there. But today we are going to use a design that I have already created. This is a design that I came up with for a concept for a coffee company or a coffee shop, and she's called Bad and Bougie Brew, and she's super cute and super bougie AF. So we are going to create a mug mock-up with this design, and if you want to go ahead and see how I created this design, you can go ahead and click the link up here at the top of the right hand corner. So once you have your product ready, or excuse me, not your product, but your design ready that you want to create the mock-up on, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your design, and then you're going to come to the top of the left hand corner of your toolbar, and you're going to select the edit image option. All right, so right over here, Canva has already embedded this feature called Smart Mockups. Now, if you are a content addict or a creative nerd like me, you know how exciting yet very important it is to physically see, or not physically, but visually see what your design will look like on a potential product. It's super important to create that mock-up, right? But if you go to other platforms, sometimes in order to create the mock-up or just to download it, you have to pay for just that one mock-up. The cool thing about Canva is that this feature, which is called Smart Mockups, it's already embedded in the Canva platform, completely free. Now, when I heard about that, I was super, super excited, because if you're a content nerd like me, you know how just exciting it is and how important it is to have that access, because you might want to see a range of different designs and products of what your design will look like. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Smart Mockups, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're just basically going to look for the mockup that you want to use to put your design on. Now, this feature is embedded in Canva's platform completely free. So that means that even if you just have the free plan with Canva, you can access this. However, some of the mockups are only included in the Pro plan. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know, some of the mockups are only included in the Pro plan. However, none of these have a crown next to it, I don't see. So unless a feature or like an image or a video has a crown next to it, like this, right over here, that means it's only included in the Pro plan. But all of these mockups look like they are completely free to use, which is really, really exciting. All right, so let's go ahead and use this. This looks very warm and cozy. We'll go ahead and select Mug 13. Beautiful. So we're going to select apply. And then if you want to make any necessary adjustments to your image, you can go ahead and put that in here, or put any necessary filters. You can go ahead and do that here. But if you are satisfied, You can go ahead and take a look at it from a bigger view. And then that's pretty much your mock-up. And then once you are satisfied with your mock-up and you want to share it, whether it's on your social media or on your website, you're going to come up here to the top of the right-hand corner and select the share button. And then you're going to scroll down to download. And then Canva's always going to give you the best suggestion for the file type to use. However, if you want to see the other options, you can go ahead and click and then go ahead and scroll and select the one that you would like to use. And then once you are ready, you're going to select download, and then your design is ready to share. All right, so that is it for today's video. If this video has helped you at all, be sure to click the link below. Sign up with Canva right now so that you can get started on creating your mug mock-up for your brand or your business, or just to have fun. And thanks again so much for tapping in. And remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.